like this in there, and the lateral wall, that's the ovary. In this model, this piece is the ovary. Okay, here this is the ovary. Ovary is held on one side, you can see, close to the uterus. This is the ovarian ligament, and on the lateral side, it goes to the abdominal wall, not to the tube, but abdominal wall. This is the suspensory ligament, the two ligaments holding the ovary. In here, you can see the ovarian ligament. Students very easily mix up the ovarian ligament with the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube is here in the red, pink. The yellow one is the ovarian ligament. Did you all see that? Okay. Ovarian ligament connects it to the uterus. So obviously, this is the uterus. In this one, here is the uterus. If we take out the uterus, here is the dome is the fundus. The rest is all body, and the narrowed end is the cervix. Okay, right there. And then the cervix. Thank you. And the cervix sticks into the vagina, right? In this, the external genitalia, you have the labia majora, minora. In this one also, you can see the majora, minora. You see that?
Yeah.
The minora, majora. What's this?
Clitoris?
The clitoris. Here. What's the number?
6 right here.
Good. 6. Okay. What's this opening?
Urethra.
Which one?
External urethra.
That's urethral opening. I don't need the anatomical name what the laymen say, no. Urethral opening, this is the vaginal opening, this is the anus, the 3 openings in the female, but in the male there will be 2 openings, urethra and anal, right? In the male, it's like the pig where the urinary system and the reproductive system open through a common passage, right? In this one, see the bladder, the urethra coming down, opening by itself. Here's the vagina opening in the middle, and then the anus. So with this, you have the fallopian tube from the side of the uterus. It goes and curves around. See how it goes and curves around the ovary. The ovary, the egg is made here, released, and this sucks it up, picks it up, and as it travels, look at the egg, how big it is in comparison how small the sperm is. And the sperm fertilizes at the distal end of the ovary. So the fallopian tube has 3 parts to it, 4 parts to it. What are those?
Infundibulum.
Is the fimbrium part of it too? Ovary and ovarian.
What's this? Yes? Fimbri. The widened area is the infundibulum. This is the ampulla. And the narrowed end, which is close to the uterus, is isthmus. Isthmus, ampulla, infundibulum, fimbri. Got it? Ovary, the ligaments, the uterus. This is the fundus, the body, narrow. This is the cervix. Of the cervix, there is an external os, and there is an internal os. This slits on the side is the fornix. Fornix or fornices. Here's the vagina. Here's the uterine wall. The outer layer is outer layer is?
What?
Of the uterus?
Perimetrium?
Good. Perimetrium. This is myometrium. And deeper red here is endometrium. The myometrium is smooth muscle. Endometrium has 2 layers to it. We don't ask here, but you should know the endometrium, the closer to the cavity is stratum functionalis, and deeper, that's close to the muscle, is stratum basalis. The stratum functionalis is shedded during menstruation. Good?
Yes.
Okay, the other thing I was gonna talk about is